Today, you're going to find out how set theory, a fundamental concept in mathematics, is present in many aspects of our daily lives. But first, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment. Have you ever thought about how we group objects, people, or ideas in our everyday life? In mathematics, a set means a collection of objects that share some common characteristic. They can be fruits, people, numbers, or even musical preferences. For example, apple, banana, and orange can make up a set of fruits. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are a set of natural numbers less than 6. How did set theory come about? Well, set theory was born in the 19th century from the ideas of George Cantor and Richard Dedekind. Cantor wanted to understand concepts like infinity, revolutionizing mathematics by showing that there are different sizes of infinity. But what does that mean? Cantor revolutionized things by showing that infinity isn't a single concept, but that there are different sizes or levels of infinity. Before Cantor, people thought all infinities were the same. Just one kind of infinity. Imagine the set of natural numbers, 0, 1, 2, and so on. It's infinite because it never ends. Cantor showed that there is a smaller infinity, that of the natural numbers, which he called countable infinity. But there's also a larger infinity, the set of real numbers, which includes all decimal numbers, fractions, and rationals. He proved that it's not possible to count all the real numbers. In other words, the set of real numbers is bigger than the set of natural numbers. That's why there are different degrees or sizes of infinity, which he organized into a never-ending hierarchy. This concept is surprising because, intuitively, it might seem like infinity is always the same size, but Cantor showed that it isn't. Some infinities are strictly larger than others. This breakthrough completely changed mathematics, opening doors to new fields like modern set theory, mathematical logic, and a lot of what we see in computer science and pure mathematics. In short, Cantor showed that infinity is a universe with levels, where some infinities are bigger than others, and you can use set theory to organize objects. For example, sorting clothes, making a guest list for a party, or creating a music playlist. We make classifications for music, rock, jazz, task management, grouping tasks by different priorities, and many other things, including on social networks, contact groups, communities. So why does set theory matter so much? Today, it's present in search algorithms, databases, statistics, computer science, and in everyday calculations. Without it, it would be hard to organize information, create groups, or solve complex problems. See how sets are everywhere, from math to social networks, from organizing your home to major scientific breakthroughs? Well, if you want to know more, follow the channel and leave your questions in the comments. In the next videos, we'll have lots of exercises about sets.